Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today on Road Review. Today I'm going to show you a video from a Canadian television show that honestly, it disturbs me. It's a road video, and it's of a alleged road rage incident between a teen mom, I guess, maybe she's a teen mom. I mean, that kid looks pretty old for her to be a teen mom, but maybe she was a teen mom and it's a follow-up. The show is apparently called Teen Mom 2. And well, this alleged road rage incident is very disturbing. We're going to watch it here. We're going to see for ourselves. And, well, here we go. So first off, look at the background there. You see a pickup truck behind her. And she's going to claim the pickup truck was road raging with her and tailgating her and whatnot. She's currently in the left lane of traffic. We can see that the kid is looking in the rearview mirror, sees the truck there, and she is acting kind of, you'll see, the video's cut a lot. You know how those reality TV shows are. You can see she has a little walkie-talkie there that's like probably for the filming, and they got the camera in the window. So watch this here. So the truck goes past them. They add, by the way, just to let you know, a lot of these sound effects are added in. The truck goes and passes them. And as the truck's passing them, you'll see that she starts to speed up. That she's losing this traffic behind. And obviously the guy brake checks her. You know, she's doing all this with their child in the front seat, which I believe that child's probably too young to be in the front seat like that. Probably should be in a booster seat or car seat. Let's read that again. She chooses to follow him. Why would you do that? You have a young child in the front seat of your pickup truck there, and you're going to choose to follow this person. Actually, this looks like a nice Suburban SUV, actually. Damn, this lady's got money. Anyway, you choose to follow the road raging driver if you have a child in your car? This is what gets even more disturbing. She pulls a gun. Yeah, that's right. That's a gun right there. Even look at the child. Look how scared he looks. I mean, this is kind of normal for him at this point with this psychopath mother. But she pulls a gun here, and she's now following this person to their home. Yeah, and now she's confronting the person. And they add in sound effects and stuff, but she just runs over the guy's mailbox, quote unquote, unintentionally. Right? She claims unintentionally, but watch what she says in 2 seconds here. Oops. Doesn't really look unintentional, right? That's like the little bitchy, the little bitch. Oops, didn't mean to do that. My bad. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that, she says. Hold on a second. Sorry, little interruption. Look at the poor child. He's terrified. Oh, it's at the center. Yeah, it's a center thing shifter. Okay, maybe it's a Ford Expedition. Anyway, look at the poor child. The poor child is terrified. Look at his face. That poor kid is gonna cry. You see? Now he's blocking me in. So they'll add in like a crash sound effect here and be like, oh, he crashed into me, but you can clearly see that she crashes into him. Yeah, like right there. And he'll do it again. She'll do it again. Watch. She slams into it. You can see the truck bounce. And now they've cut the video here. But I guess she pulls the gun and points it at him. They're gonna go talk like, oh my god, it's so dramatic. What do you think? And this disgusts me. This part here absolutely gets me so pissed off. Watch this.
Not too good. Hey, let me get off the phone.
First of all, she doesn't tell the cop immediately that she has a gun. Right there. Do you see it? She's got a firearm. Right there. That's the first thing she should tell the cop, that she's got a firearm.
Yeah, alright, bye. Yes, I do.
I see your pistol. Do me a favor, just don't grab a hold of it.
No.
Good. You know, the cop sees the gun.
No.
Yeah, what's going on?
So, I was on the highway.
Buddy.
I was on the highway. And this guy was tailgating me in a big truck. Huge.
This guy was tailgating me in a huge, big truck. Scary truck. It was literally just like a normal Ford pickup truck.
He slammed on the brakes so hard that I swerved off into the grass.
You hear that, guys? She just slammed on the brakes so hard that she swerved into the grass. Watch. Look at this.
Are you kidding me, dude?
Did you see that? Did you see her swerve into the grass? Pathetic. Absolutely sad. Disgusting.
What's going on?
So I was on the highway. He got
They swerved into the grass. She's playing the "I'm a woman, I'm gonna cry" with the officer. The officer should make her step out. Did he just say? Did she also just say his head almost hit the dashboard? Hold up. Hold up. That is nowhere. That is nowhere near the dashboard. What other lies is she gonna say? How many other lies is she gonna say? Hit his head. See, she was gonna say that his head hit the dashboard. Oh, they cut the audio again. There you go. I followed him to his house. Yep, that's true. No, that's not what happens. Well, yeah, she did say that.
I said, I'm not leaving, but I was scared and I was turning around, and as I was turning around, he hit the front of my
No,
bumper with
she hit him.
I'm not leaving.
She hit him. It's on video.
He was trying to block her. He was trying to block me.
What?
So
Kid is looking at her and is like, every time it cuts to him, like, what's going through his head? Is he
He's
just
very
like,
calm, but I mean, this is the situation that you have to deal with your mom. Yeah, Melissa was saying this is disgusting. Who does this in front of their kid?
I agree. I agree.
Lessons, you're teaching them, shame on you.
I agree.
Jen says, I can't believe they actually aired this.
I agree with that too. Oh my God.
Shows.
Yeah.
Melissa says Janelle and her behavior is a prime example of everything that's wrong with the world today. And
There you
TV
go.
should drop her. So this is back in April, May.
Yeah.
There were no charges laid against either driver, and Janelle hasn't said anything about this publicly at all. But I
No
just
charges.
don't get
Wow.
the idea. It's
Wow.
One thing,
She
road rage, that
brandished
can
a
call police
firearm.
to follow this guy.
Wow, these guys are actually great. I agree with these guys.
Erratically.
I never actually watched the part of the guys talking. I thought they were gonna be like, this poor woman was harassed, but these guys are great. What I'm saying. Well, now you see what I'm talking about here. These reality TV shows are absolutely insane. Imagine getting away with, literally brandishing a firearm at somebody after running over their mailbox and ramming into their vehicle with your child in the front seat of the vehicle. He's restrained in a seatbelt, but not restrained in proper, like car seat or anything like that. Dude, absolutely crazy. Thank you guys for watching this very interesting episode of Road Review. I hope you enjoyed. Please do leave a like, maybe a little bit of a subscribe, maybe a little bit of a comment down below how you felt about this incident. Anyway, thank you guys for watching Road Review. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.